Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. Where am I? Where the heck am I? Where in the world is your homeboy Jermaine? Right now I'm in Memphis, or Memphis, or my hometown, if you didn't know that. So I'm in my hometown now. What am I doing in my hometown? I'm just randomly here, seeing my family, hanging out, doing this, doing that, going here, going there. What do I got going on today? Well, right now I'm at Cooper Young area. The Cooper Young area is this like intersection. You know, there's lots of restaurants and bars nearby. There's this really cool vegan spot that's right down the street here. There's a Young Avenue Deli, which is, you know, a place a lot of people go hang out at on the weekends and stuff like that. They'll have like bands and stuff like that. There's all sorts of other restaurants that have popped up that I don't really know about because I don't exactly live here. And there's more. You walk down here and there's like another street, Madison, and you go down Madison and there's just more like, it's Midtown stuff to do here, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I don't really have a lot going on right now. A lot of people I know are working right now, and I'm just kind of in the city just chilling, you know, in the city just out doing my thing, or the town, or whatever they call it around here. But anyway, I'm gonna check out this vegan spot. They got some vegan soul food, and I wouldn't mind having some vegan soul food right now. What's wrong with having a little bit of vegan soul food? But anyway, let's get this video started. Okay, pretty much I had to get some southern vegan style wings here with some ranch. Let's try this. This looks really good. First thing on the list. Yo, check out some of this vegan style Memphis barbecue right here. Yo, I can't wait to make this dish up here. This looks freaking delicious, yo. And of course I had to get some dessert, right? Yeah, you gotta get some dessert, huh? Yeah, let's make this dish up here. All right, I already left that vegan restaurant, and I'm just strolling through the Midtown area. And I love the name of this tattoo parlor. It's so funny. But I'm actually just gonna go head down to this park really fast, go do a quick walkthrough, and then from there I think I may stop by the grocery store, because there's a little shop that's pretty close to here. Probably stop by a shop, grab a couple things to eat for later, and then get ready to head back over my aunt's house. Today is kind of a chill day, kind of a quiet day. I had a friend that lived in this neighborhood. I believe she actually lived on this street. And I just remember hanging out here when I was younger, like 16, 17, 18. And it was like super chill. And I miss it, but then I don't, because it's changed and everyone around has changed. So it's just a different place. Times don't stay the same. Times always change. Yeah. Good, bad, ugly. Yeah, times always change. So here, this is Overton Park. And for some reason, I don't know why I'm so excited to come here. Like, I used to come here a lot when I was younger, but for now, I just got like super excited. Absolutely nothing has changed here, I'm pretty sure. There's a whole bunch of things over here. This area is sort of kind of the starting area from the street. But there's lots of things that happen here, and this is a pretty chill place to just come by and hang out on the weekends. You know, if it's not too hot, not too cold. One thing about Memphis, everybody thinks it's so cold, and right now it's like 40 degrees. The sun is definitely going down, but it's not too bad. Like, I got 2 jackets on, and I'm totally good. But the weather is not bad. But when it's like this, people just don't come out. Like, you just hardly ever see people out. So it looks like a ghost town. But believe me, if the weather was nice, there would definitely be way more people out. But for some reason, like, I even smell like the wood from someone's chimney. So someone close by has some wood in the fireplace. I don't know. Maybe I just got a lot of clothes on and I'm not cold. Another day in Memphis. Another day in Memphis. What did I do today? Today is fun. Today was chill. Didn't really do too much. Went to Overton Park, which was a place that I used to go to back when I was younger. Lots of young people would hang out at the park, and that's just one of the things that you would do growing up in Memphis. Like, you know, there's no beach nearby, so people aren't going to like the beach. There's no mountains nearby, so people aren't going to the mountains to hike. I mean, there's a couple lakes nearby, but like not really in Memphis. There's not really like lakes to just chill at. I mean, there's lakes you can go to and have a barbecue, but it's not like, it's not like the whole California lifestyle, you know what I mean? But like the park, we would always hang out at the park. I mean, it'd be freezing sometimes and people would still be at the park. Or you would just go to the park and like just sit in the car, but you're at the park, but you're in the car because it's cold or it's raining, but you still want to be at the park. Like, I don't know, I'm just reminiscing around this joint, going to old places that I used to go to when I was younger. Like, I just love it. Like, a lot has changed, but then a lot hasn't like changed. Like, I don't know. It's just weird because I don't think a lot of people have this experience of like moving away from home and then going back. I have a lot of friends back home that did move away for like 1 year or 2 years. But then I also know some people that have moved away and they literally never went back to Memphis. Like, I know this girl that I went to high school with, she lives here in the Bay Area. I don't think she has went back to Memphis in like 10 years since she left Memphis. Her mom comes here and visit her, and like her close like family members, they'll come out here and visit her, but she has like not went back in like 10 years. And I just couldn't imagine like leaving Memphis and just straight up like not coming back, because I like Memphis, don't get me wrong. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's things that I don't like about Memphis, but then at the same time, like just to just leave a place and like not come back, like I wouldn't even see the change, or I wouldn't even know that like nothing has changed. Like, it's just awesome to come home, and then there's people around, you got your family, you got those old places you used to go to, you got that place that they got the good hummus, and this other place, they got good Asian food. Actually, I just use that as an example because I can't think of a place in Memphis with good Asian food. But anyway, I'll just say that for San Francisco, because San Francisco be whipping up that good Asian food. I think I'm craving some Chinese fried rice right now. I could probably actually find that around here. But like Thai food, I'm probably not gonna be able to find any Thai food, but that's chill. I'm pretty sure there's a Thai food restaurant somewhere in Memphis, but I just haven't discovered it. But what else I got going on? How else is life? I guess one drawback of me coming home randomly and spontaneous like this is like I didn't tell anyone I was coming home. So like it's kind of like, yo, I'm in town, and then folks are like, how long are you in town for? And I'm like, oh, I'm just in town for like until Monday. And they're like, oh yeah, and it's just like, hang out here, do this, go do that. Let's go grab a beer. Let's go grab some wings. Let's go do this. So like, it's just been kind of spontaneous, very spontaneous. I'm trying to get out with my brother, but once again, like I didn't tell anyone I'm coming into town. So my brother's like, what? You coming into town this week? You didn't even tell me? And I'm just like, did I just mess this trip up? No, I didn't mess this trip up. I'm not tripping. I'll probably come back to Memphis in a couple months, especially if I like stay in the US. I'll probably just come back to Memphis because why not? It is chill. Like I must admit, like it's chill. But then also I'm not driving. I'm not really going anywhere in the city. So yeah, it is chill for me. It should be chill because I'm not really doing much except for just existing. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go make a Beyond sausage because I got some Beyond sausages from the store earlier. Yeah, Beyond sausages. Or actually the same exact price that they were in San Francisco, just randomly speaking. And I also got some almond milk that I really want to try it because like I'm just a really big fan of almond milk, and there's some really dang almond milk that they sell at Safeway. And Safeway, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's owned by the same that own Kroger. I could be wrong with that. To Kroger got some almond milk, and I think it's like the same brand, so like I'm gonna go test it out. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I love all of y'all. Have a good day, have an amazing day, and like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, yo.